In this video, I'll show you how to do an order blocked force analysis in Source. Order analyses are great to troubleshoot the NVH of components with rotating parts, like e-motors or compressors, because you can really focus on their relevant characteristics. In Source, you can calculate order blocked forces and TPA syntheses. Here's how. Here we have test data from a run-up of an e-compressor. As you can see, its spectrum shows very distinct orders. So that's why we also imported some pre-processed order data. You can import such order data in ATF-X format. Datasets of the type order blocks show the extracted order spectra over time. You can display them over the RPM channel if you want to study your component at a certain speed. Next to these 3D order spectra, you can also work with 2D order cuts, so individual order lines of the order spectra. These datasets can contain multiple order lines, which you can select next to the channels. Again, you can display them over rotational speed and over time, or over the frequency, which is derived from the rotational speed and the order. So the frequency range will be different for each order. This translation from order to frequency is also used in the calculation of the blocked forces. The process to get blocked forces works just like for any other dataset. So you can select order data and any other operational dataset as inputs for the same analysis. For order data, Source does all the TPA calculations based on the derived frequency lines, which we just saw before. Source then applies linear interpolation to estimate the FRF at those frequencies of the operational data. As a result, we get order-based blocked forces and TPA syntheses, so you can quickly make an onboard validation for orders, or identify the relevant excitation in the order blocked forces. Here, the first order of the radial directions is very dominant. This is caused by the unbalance of the compressor. If you want, you can also export these order datasets. Source gives you very efficient solutions for order analysis. So now make sure that all targets of your component are in order.